Did you know that you can enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel? The default interface is usually in white mode, but dark mode is designed to reduce eye strain, especially for users working at night or in low-light environments. There are two methods to enable dark mode, depending on whether you go through the Account section or the Options section. Method 1. Click on File in the top left corner, scroll down and select Account. Find Office Theme and choose Dark Gray or Black from the drop-down menu. Method 2. Using the Excel Options dialog box. Click File in the top left corner, scroll down and click on Options. In the General tab, look for the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. There, you will find the Office Theme drop-down menu. Choose Dark Gray or Black from the drop-down menu. By following either of these methods, you can switch Excel to dark mode. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.